Hmm. Good idea. Beautiful walnut here. I think it's alder, whatever. Some more walnut here. This crazy green pattern. Oh, hopefully the camera catches that. Crazy wavy illusion to it. It feels smooth as heck, but it looks a little bumpy. Of course, I have some purple heart here. Hardwood, hardwood, hardwood. Very nice. And lastly, look at this beauty here. This is Padauk. Just look at the color variation. Red, white, brown, purple, and more brown with some lighter tints here. Let's make a cutting board. At this point, it's just figuring out the best design for the cutting board. And my dogs are barking. Hey, relax. I really like this Padauk. It's really standing out. You might notice some burn marks here. That'll go away. Nice and sanded. Kind of mix and match. See what looks good. I'm done messing around. I think I'm gonna go with this final layout. Set up for the glue. Just trying to figure out how much space I have here to work with. This is a plastic brush. This is great for applying glue. Good. By the way, this is not a good time to cheapen out on your glue. You want to use as much glue as possible. You want to have plenty of squeeze out because obviously you don't want your cutting board falling apart. I'm using Type Bond 2.
Needy veterans' homes. Conflict left his vacation.
You did get some movement, it's okay. Just realized the cutting board is too wide to fit through my planer. I'll figure it out later. Alright, let it dry now. Alright guys, it's been drying for a while now, so I think it's ready to go. I left this overnight. I'm just trying to leave it as smooth as possible so it won't wear out the planer blades as much. See that? Much better now. A lot smoother. Let's do this side. Fresh out the planer. I love it. Let's trim the edges. Let's give it a quick sanding. Start off with 150 grit. So once you're done sanding, it's very important to spray it down with a little bit of water. It's gonna raise the tiny fibers in the wood, because if you miss this step, meaning spraying it down, what happens is once they wash the cutting board, it's gonna feel extremely coarse and really rough. That's what this step does. You spray it down, raises the fibers. You take those fibers down with the sandpaper. Then once that's done, then you can apply your finish. But before I do that, let it dry now. Come back and sand it down. Before I forget or give it the final sanding, I'm gonna chamfer all the edges. These edges here are super sharp. Got my 1/8 round over bit in here. Let's do it. Okay, now there's two schools of thought: to brand or not to brand. I say you gotta brand. There you go. And after all that work, that ripping, all that cutting, the whole glue up and sanding, it comes down to this: applying an oil to protect the board